Hey everyone, welcome back. In this tutorial, I'll show you how to fix Vercel GitHub integration not working on Vercel in 2026. So if your repositories are not connecting, deployments are not triggering, or your GitHub sync is broken, yeah, this guide will help you fix it step by step without confusion, so let's get into it. First, open your Vercel account settings and check if your GitHub account is properly connected or not. Sometimes it shows connected, but actually, it's half broken in the background. Next, if anything feels off, disconnect GitHub and then reconnect it again to refresh the authorization. This alone fixes a lot of integration issues. Now make sure Vercel has full access to your GitHub repositories. If permissions are missing or limited, the sync won't work properly at all. Next, go inside your Vercel project settings and confirm that the correct repository is selected. Sometimes people accidentally connect the wrong repo, and then nothing triggers. Now head over to GitHub settings and check the installed Vercel app. Make sure webhooks and repo access are enabled, otherwise deployments won't update automatically. Next, clear your browser cache or try an incognito window. Yeah, sometimes old session data blocks the connection from refreshing properly. Now push a small change to your repository, just a simple edit, and see if Vercel triggers a new deployment automatically, and that's pretty much it. Once everything is reconnected properly, your GitHub and Vercel should sync smoothly again without any issues. And don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tutorials like this.